Alright, so today I'm really excited. I got some new tires for the Grom. I'm gonna try these the Dunlop Trailmax tires for the little mini minnows. I've been running the Shinko Mobbers. I like them and I hate them at the same time. I think they're decent tires on the road. They're good tires off-road, but I think they're far too aggressive for a Grom in my opinion. And also on the road, I don't like how when you roll into a corner, you can feel the lugs roll underneath you. And I spend 95% of my time on this thing on the road, so I think it's time to go to something a little bit less aggressive. All right, let's get to putting these tires on. Well, I don't know how you do it, but I like to jack my Grom up properly, not damage anything. Every time I do this, I forget how to get my Grom to stay still. I call that perfect. Yeah, I think that ought to hold very nicely. And if it just happens to fall, don't worry. It's not the first time it's happened. Oh gosh. Here I go already getting ahead of myself, like usual. I need to take this caliper off. Caliper's out of the way. Let's slide this axle bolt out. Spacers, 2 spacers. Alright, let's break his tire down. Alright, let's pop the bead. One side done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Alright, give it a healthy coating of soapy water. That working there good. Start popping it off. That side's done. bit off more than I can choose. Trying to get it. Not happening. Get it out of there. Get a little smaller bite. Hold it up. Right. This is where having 3 fire spoons comes in handy. Because sometimes it's hard to get it back lip off. Just 2 of them. Pop that off. Bring this one back around to this side. Right, now it'll come off. Simple. Dismounting. These are proving to be a little bit of a fight. There we go. That wasn't too bad. It's a little stiff in the beginning, but these little Motion Pro spoons. I think it's both Motion Pro actually. I don't know. I'll link these in the description. I really like these. These right here have a bead breaker on them too, which I don't use a lot. Yeah, they're Motion Pro. I see it on there right there. But if we're out in the woods or something, I got a smaller set of these, and that bead breaker does work pretty good. I've played around with it, and because once you're out in the woods, it's a little bit more difficult to find a shovel just to pop your tire bead. And I carry 2 of the smaller aluminum ones of these and 1 of these, and then that's all my tire kit. So always carry what you're used to using. She's on. Alright, squirt a little more soapy water around. Help it pop up on the bead. This tire is stiff, it's going to need all the help it can get. And we're going to blow it up till it pops on the bead all the way around. Oh no. It's not seating. Alright, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to bounce it like a basketball a few times. Nope. Go the old school way. There it goes. Alright. You're gonna make sure this ring right here that you got on the tire is about equal distance from the lip of your wheel all the way around. Yeah. Farting a little bit. I messed that up before and get a tire that bounces going down the road. let's wipe this tire off and mount it back up. Pop spacers back in. Start the axle bolt. You start one fork at a time. Slide it in there. Easy peasy. Whoa. I'll snug that down once I sit down. How about that? Alright. Tight. Alright, let's do the rear tire. I do it about the exact same. Don't ask why I got two different jack chains. So I really don't know the answer to that. Just happens when you let people borrow stuff. Never get it back. And yeah, I know I could get a fancy little race stand and just prop this up, but is it really worth spending $70 for that? I don't think so. Maybe one day I'll catch one on sale and pick it up. For now, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and loosen these. Well, yeah, I'm gonna loosen these adjusters up because I'm gonna go ahead and put a new chain on this too. If you're not changing your chain, you don't need to do that. Do not need to do that. Break the axle loose. Adjuster and just look at that. It's gonna need a little persuasion. Jeez Louise. It's not good. Shoo. Guess I should have anesthetized that a little better last time. Just scuff that up and recoat it. Alright. Slide this forward a little bit. Space right there. Alright, let's break this tire down. One more. not sweating, I promise. Oh, I got my knees. I did have to use starter fluid. Not going to show how to do that. You can YouTube that for yourself. It's not the safest thing to do, so I'm not responsible if you blow your fingers off. Alright, let's get the coach drive back in it and we'll get it mounted up on the wheel. Alright. Alright, I got the axle recoated with NSEs. I think it was all corroded up just because all the salt and stuff I've been riding through with the winter road treating. Alright, I got the chain cut off, so it's going to make it a lot easier. Chain's already removed, so it should be a lot easier to put it on now. But this is usually fun, trying to line all this stuff up. Missing a wheel spacer. Spread this guy over a bit. Alright, it's in there. I'm gonna throw my new chain on and then I'll catch back with y'all at the end. Alright, show! Alright. Both mounted up. They look pretty good. I think they fit the Supermoto look a little better. Grom currently has 6,945 miles on it. Alright, so I guess I will see y'all at 8,000 miles with a 1,000 mile review of these tires. Got really high hopes for them. Hope they do well. See y'all next one. I'm gonna get some chicken nuggets. Shoo!